Hey, what's up, radio? Welcome to episode number 66 here on season number 2.
Bow tie.
Bow tie. Oh my goodness. And today we are getting into Maya Kajamal naan chips. Have you ever had naan chips before?
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Have you ever had naan chips before? No? So, did you want to try these first or tell them about them?
Try them first.
Okay, let's go ahead and open up them then. These ones are kind of hard to open.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Whoa, you can do this. Oh.
Uh-huh. Alright, go ahead and reach in there and grab one out. Okay, and I think I'm going to get this one right here.
Let's trade.
Wow, because mine was bigger? That's why you wanted to trade?
Yeah.
I'm going to get the biggest one.
I'm going to get this one. This one is a little small one.
Okay, I think I got one.
No.
Alright, I need one.
No, both of them are big.
Okay, then I get this one.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
What about I'm going to have these two.
Okay, that's fine. There's more in the bag. Ready? 3,
Two.
2, 1,
go!
go!
Mmm. They're not crunchy.
But they're a little bit softer than normal chips, huh? They kind of taste more similar to like a wheat thin would be how I would kind of appropriate it. You're just like sitting down and eating, huh?
No, sit right here. Sit like this.
Yeah, I mean they're pretty good. They taste a lot healthier than like a Nick. Nick. Yep, he's hanging out back there. Too bad he don't eat chips, you know.
Yeah.
He don't really do much. He just stands there and looks like he's always throwing a football.
Yeah. To his other friends.
And to his other friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, their taste similar to a wheat thin. There's not really much here. They are whole wheat. What do you think of them so far? Kind of like them?
Yeah. I like them super far away.
You like them super far away?
Huh?
Oh, okay. These chips are actually interesting because they're first of all naan chip, which is a like Indian, Middle Eastern kind of bread, and then also these. Yes.
The last night was you good tell last night?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
So these are flame baked, which is crazy. I don't even know how to flame bake bread, let alone a chip, and then Cookie Monster. And they're also non-GMO. Look at that, Jacob. Did you even know that there was a butterfly in the front? Yeah. Mm-hmm. These ones are butterfly friendly, and they're vegan. Yes.
Yeah, I was so good and he won like that one, so I'll catch a butterfly and one and catch a butterfly.
Oh.
With my card, with my nut.
Oh, with your net.
With my net.
You can tell them. You can tell them about your butterfly net.
My butterfly net can cut on the butterflies.
Oh. So anyways, these chips are imported from Canada. I don't know if that means that they're better or not.
Yes.
But they're suggested, to be dipped with hummus, guacamole, or they even say that you can enjoy them by themselves,
String with bow tie.
or they say that you can use with cheese. Do you have any cheese?
Yeah. It's in the refrigerator.
In the refrigerator? I guess they also, on their website or on the package, they said that they have other flavors such as rosemary and then like all the flavors, almost everything combined into like one chip also. But really, we got to answer the question, is this a buy or a trash?
I don't know.
We got to know, is this a buy or a trash?
A buy.
Go ahead and tell them.
A buy.
A buy!
A buy.
It's a buy.
A buy.
Okay, so it's a buy. So you think that they should buy these, right?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's go ahead and get into the question of the day, which is, what was the last song you sung along to?
I see that I went to my school every day. This will take me every day.
You were singing every day at your school?
No, it would take me every day.
Oh, okay.
It's just taking me every day. And I was waiting online.
Waiting online?
And then my friends just come to my house.
That's funny. Anyways, we will go ahead and leave it right there. Like I always say, if you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business, Etsy, coaching, post those questions down below. Eva. Wally. Don't forget to subscribe over here and check out our double fudge brownie review. Check us out right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.